Журавлівський гідропарк got a bad luck not to be an investment plant of a local city authority, and for this moment this is absolutely abandoned place. I heard that before the war, of course, local authority had plans to invest money into this place, to convert this into a pearl, but to regret the war spoiled all these plans. But I hope local administration they will come back to this idea. But for this moment, this is only a great area with some destroyed I think Soviet-style architecture, like this kiosk or dressing room. Hydropark, this is the island on the Kharkiv River. In the middle of the island, some private hotel and restaurant under the name Britain. Yeah, a piece of Britain in this abandoned place. And central alley from one side to another side. So two bridges and the island in just forest. I think Soviet Union time there was some beach, but now it's all the banks or in the in the air plants, yes, bushes and trees. I think I saw a lot of people walk here and bike here. You can do it also, but I recommend only in daytime, because in the night time it will be dangerous. Also I found some new benches. Yeah, I mean someone put it here, but as I said before, the whole area must be reconstructed. For example, here I think here was a beach, because there are several undressing rooms. Yes, but no beach or no sand already, and a lot of plants on the grass on the banks. So just short information about this place under the name Журавлівський гідропарк.